Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, it's me Rukshana Dahal back with my new video vlog, and today I have something adventurous for you guys. I am going to do skydive, and I am here in Skydive Dubai, guys. So it's my 25th birthday today. Wish me a happy birthday, and it's a birthday present for me myself, which I gifted. Thank you so much. And then for the skydive, I had chosen my Nepali style dress. So this is the gift from my mother and my mother's sister, my Sana Mamu. Thank you so much, guys. And then now I will go inside. Let's experience. I have such a mixed feelings for it. Let's go. I'm very excited. I got this birthday wish from Skydiving Dubai. Thank you, dear. Have a good day.
Wait. Thanks for the salad.
Here, I have my flight after 17 minutes. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, beautiful lady. Yay.
How was your expectation and how you feel now?
I feel very good. I'm very happy. I'm very excited.
Okay, we're landing. High point.
Very nice. Beautiful food.
I just drink now 5 cups. How much water? No water, no. Hold it. You can let go of your hand. Yes, amazing.
So my pilot is a lady. She is Tore from South Africa and she is very good. She knows momos from Nepal. And let's go. I will be waiting for my cameraman. Yes.
First time?
Yeah, it's okay.
Right, any special reason for jumping today?
It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
Well, here we go. You ready? You understand all the instructions. Anything you want to say before we go?
Yeah, really happy. And thank you so much. Wish me a safe flight. Give me good photos and videos. Thank you so much to my parents. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, jump out, look at me, big smile. Jump out, look at me, big smile.
Thank you. Bye.
Stand up, use your legs. Welcome back. How was
Thank
that?
you so much, dear.
You had a good time?
Oh, very good time. She made me fall in love with Dubai.
Perfect. You do that again, yeah?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Amazing.
Thank
Glad you
you
had
so much.
fun. Thanks for coming to Skydiving. Bye. See you next time.
See you. It was fun.
How's your experience?
Wow, very good. I loved it.
What, do you feel nervous or what?
No nervousness. Yeah, I loved it. Rather than bungee jumping and
Oh, it's the same thing. It's a mix.
no, it's more fun. It's more fun. Sana, again, you deserve it. You're gonna rock the world. कस्तो बवाल फिल भयो क्या दाइ म त कस्तो दाइ मेरो एक्सप्रेसनै चेन्ज भएन क्या घरमा मलाई यहाँ बसी दुबई मन पर्न थाल्यो त्यस्तो फिल भयो मेरो एक्सप्रेसनै चेन्ज आई मिन अब त्यहाँ भिडियोमा त आउला होइन अहिले तर त्यो फ्री फलमा पनि दाइ डाइरेक्ट क्यामेरामा मात्रै हेर भन्छ मैले क्यामेरालाई एकछिन छोड्दै छोडिनँ अनि त्यस्तो साडी के अरे अनि त्यो फ्री फल सकेपछि क्या त्यसले प्यारासुट खोल्ने बेला पनि थाहा भइहाल्यो यस्तो है त्यस्तो त्यो फ्री फल जस्तो लाग्दैन तर मलाई प्यारासुट खोल्दाखेरि चाहिँ बरु झ्याट्ट भएको थियो होइन त्यो पनि बाहिर हेर्न मन छ उ त्यो क्यामेरामा हेर भन्छ द भ्यू भन्छ आई विल डु इट अगेन So at starting when I was going down from here, I was feeling like so little nervous. But when I see the girls over there, they were more nervous than me. and then I feel like it's okay, you can do it, Rukshana. I pushed me up, and then I remember my Bole Baba as usual. And then after that, when she pushed me, thanks to my pilot, she was very good to me. Because of her, I was very comfortable, and then she pulled to me, she locked me to herself, and then I feel little good now that I'm safe in the safer hands. And then when I moved to the camera, my eyes were only in the camera. I see the view after the parachute only. It was very good. I just loved it. I wish I will do it again, but for the next time with my dear ones again. And then I am in love with Dubai after this. Before it was not like this. And then I love Dubai. After the view, the palm view was very good, and I want a house in Palm. It was very good from okay. For as a simple, you can just go in the Skydive AE page, and then there you will get some information about you, and then you will enter everything, the forms, the concepts, and everything, and then you will pay from your card or any Apple Pay or anything like that. And then it's okay, you can come here to Dubai Marina, to Palm, and enjoy your time. Thank you so much for the patience you waited with me. And then I hope you guys enjoy my video. I enjoyed my paragliding a lot, and yes, I want to say it again, happy 25th birthday, Rukshana. You deserve it, girl. You're gonna rock the world. Love you guys. See you all in next video. Bye.